Throne of Eldraine. I do love this set. Welcome back everyone to MocKristmas MTG. Arcanist Owl. Make sure you like and subscribe. Animating Fairy. Bake into a Pie. Mystic Sanctuary. Nice little land card there. Rowling Keep. Barge in. On to Merrileaf Rider. Jousting Dummy. Ardenvale Paladin. Queen of Ice. Oh, nice to see you, Elsa. Corridor Monitor. Food Token. Plains. Nice little foil weasel back red cap, little weasel. Hush Bringer is our rare. That's a cool looking card. Flying lifelink creatures entering the battlefield or dying don't cause abilities to trigger. Huh. Man, too bad it's not foil. That'd be a cool foil. Heraldic Banner. And there you have it. We got the Hushbringer.